If there's one thing I'm a sucker for is new travel bags. Just any kind of storage solution, I love it. And if there's another thing I'm a sucker for is gear that's made of wax canvas and full grain leather. And here comes Double Oak Essentials, and they give me the best of both worlds. I didn't even know Double Oak Essentials had these available. I thought they just made wallets. They actually made one of my favorite wallets of last year, and these were on pre-order. And by the time I release this video, they will be available to purchase. This is the Double Oak Essentials Weekender bag. This is their backpack, and this is their new Dopp kit. So let me sit my butt in this chair, turn on my camera there, and let's get into this video. All right, so I think I'm gonna start here with the smallest bag that Double Oak Essentials is releasing, the Dopp kit. But before I get started, I just wanted to show you guys these bags that they came in. So this is the bag the Dopp kit came in, and then this is the backpack bag. Look at these. I'm not even gonna throw these away. These could be very useful. And look how big, I have to stand up. Look how big this one is. This is from the Weekender bag. I'm not gonna throw these away. I can probably use these when I go out of town as a laundry bag, just to put my dirty clothes in when I'm in hotels. And that's another thing I wanted to talk about. I travel a lot for work, so I use a Dopp kit more than anything else. The Dopp kit that I currently use is a full grain leather kit from Exter. I love it, it's great. But there's just something about the fusion of full grain leather and this wax canvas. I absolutely love this combination. And the Dopp kit here is available in 3 different colors. The green version that I have right here, the green wax canvas. There's also a black version and a blue version, all with this brown full grain leather here. If you guys see the black and this full grain leather version, it is absolutely beautiful, but I still really like this green and brown combination. I'm just really digging the rustic aesthetic of these bags here, really liking it. And I should say that all 3 bags that I showed you are available in the same 3 colors, green, black, and blue, with the same full grain leather. Plus all 3 are backed with a lifetime warranty. All 3 of them have these metal YKK zippers, very high quality zippers. And the other 2 bags come with a luggage pass and luggage tags for the wallet tracker card from Double Oak Essentials right here. If you guys saw my video, the wallet video, you're gonna be familiar with that tracker card. Like I said, the backpack and the Weekender bag come with those tags. This does not, just because it's a small Dopp kit. And like I said, because I travel a lot, I use a Dopp kit more than almost anything. But let me give you guys a nice close-up of that waxed canvas there and that full grain leather. And look at this bottom. That looks absolutely gorgeous. Full grain leather there with these metal feet. Absolutely gorgeous. Leather handle right here on the side. No pockets on the outside of this Dopp kit, which is something I'm not really used to. Most of the Dopp kits I've used in the past have some kind of a pocket on the outside. Not this one, but if I open up the main compartment here, you can see it does come with this nylon waterproof case though. I said waterproof, but Double Oak Essentials says that this is a water resistant bag to store your liquids. So I haven't really tested this out yet because this is so new. I just received this. So I haven't tested this bag if it's waterproof or water resistant, but based on this material, it looks waterproof to me, but I'm not so sure about the stitching here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and say it's water resistant. But I like the fact that they included this water resistant bag with this Dopp kit with the YKK zipper right here. This is pretty nice. And if I show you the inside here, you can see there's an off-white canvas interior with another full grain leather tag right there. That's pretty sweet. So fairly simple inside here, just a main pocket with a singled zippered pocket inside, and that's basically it. But this is going to be big enough to carry everything that I use when I go out of town for work. And I really like the fact that they include this water resistant bag with this Dopp kit with that zippered top, the YKK zippers. Very, very nice. I think I'm going to use this for a little bit just to see how it compares to my other Dopp kits. And I always seem to have issues with space when I go out of town. I just happen to take a lot of stuff with me. I don't like using any of the stuff the hotels give me, so I like to take my own stuff. So my Dopp kit is always overflowing with stuff, but this looks like it can handle it. So that is the Dopp kit. Let me go grab the backpack and we can start checking that bad boy out. I'll be right back.
The next day.
All right, and this backpack is awesome, I must say. It is the same green color, the wax canvas and brown full grain leather right there. YKK Zippers, has the exact same lifetime warranty as the Dopp kit I showed you. Like I said, all three of them come with that lifetime warranty. But check this out. I just love these full grain leather straps back here. So even the nylon right here, the nylon straps, they are brown, same color as that leather. And check this out, all the buckles, all the hardware, and the clasp here is made of metal. So you can see it has more of a, sort of like a bronze look there. So you can see that. Everything feels really high quality. And that's the first thing I noticed with all three of these bags is just how well these are made. Like I said, the materials are going to go a long way, but everything just feels very well put together. And I have to say this, if you're somebody that likes hidden pockets and hidden storage compartments all over your backpack or duffel bag, these aren't going to be for you. These are actually fairly simple. There's not one hidden pocket or storage area on any one of these bags here. What you see is what you get. So on this backpack here, there's one zippered pocket right here in the front. A lot of storage right there, YKK zipper. And there's two little unzippered pockets right here on the side. So this one right here on the side with that full grain leather logo tag right there, and then right here on the other side. Like I said, no zippers, no elastic, they're just wide open. No pockets on the back side, but there is a wax canvas strap right here on the back. And let's go right to the main compartment. You can see leather handle right there. Let's open up the main compartment. There are dual YKK zippers right there holding that open. And if I open this up, you can see there is a lot of area to store all your gear here. The off-white canvas material that's inside. On the flap side of the bag, you can see one zippered pocket. And yeah, that's gonna go all the way down. Very, very nice. And on the bottom side there, if I can show you, there's just two pockets. There's a larger pocket right here that fits my 15-inch laptop, and then a pocket right in front of that. And that's basically it. So there's two pockets right here, one pocket on the flap side that's zippered and the main storage compartment. And on the top there, there's another leather tag that says Double Oak Essentials. And right here, you can see the luggage pass and the little luggage tag right there that can hold this wallet tracker card. And that's held in there with a piece of leather and a clasp. And if I take off this clasp, I'll show you guys this. Close up, there's your pass. You can write all your information right there. But if I put this wallet tracker card in there on this side, so you can see right there, if you lose this bag, you can track it with that tracker card right there. So this is pretty nice if you do a lot of traveling. So this is a nice addition to this backpack. You see it just clamps right back in there. Let me put that back and take out the card. But yeah, guys, like I said, this is no nonsense, straightforward, very simple, but extremely functional. Tons of space in this backpack, but no hidden pockets or anything like that. But I know I've said this more than a few times in this video. I just love this full grain leather and wax canvas combo, especially on this backpack. This is nice. And last but not least, the weekender bag here. And of course, my camera setup isn't going to be ideal for a bag this big. But basically everything that I mentioned, all the features that I mentioned with the previous two bags are going to apply with the weekender bag here. It's available in the same three colors, green, black, and blue. And I'm gonna pop up on the screen right now what that black weekender bag looks like. I am in love. Lifetime warranty, free shipping, YKK zippers. You guys know the spiel already. And just like with the backpack, there's really no hidden pockets or compartments in the weekender bag here. So right on the side, there is a unzippered pocket right there on the side. On the opposite side is a boot compartment held together with a YKK zipper, and you can see that pocket goes all the way through this bag here. So that's really nice to have a boot compartment on the opposite side. Let me zip that up, and no pockets on the sides here, just the leather handles, and that same wax canvas strap is going to be over here on this side. So we saw that wax canvas strap on the back of the backpack. The Weekender bag here has it right here on the side. And then clamped over here is the same luggage pass and luggage tag as we saw on the backpack. And as I go to open this up, you can see, yes, there are dual zippers, dual YKK zippers. And if I open this up, yeah, you guys already know there's going to be tons of room in this bag. And of course, I'm not going to have enough room in my current setup, so I'm just going to show you guys some B-roll of the inside here. There are 2 unzippered pockets in the main compartment, and that's basically it. So with the Weekender bag here, you have a very spacious main compartment, 2 unzippered pockets on the interior, 1 unzippered pocket on the exterior, along with an exterior boot compartment. Like I said, these bags are simple, yet very, very functional. And a very common theme throughout all of these bags is this off-white canvas interior. Very nice. And this also comes with a shoulder strap as well. Check that out. Made of all full grain leather right here. Metal clasps, and those clasp onto the little D-rings right here on each side of the bag. So my first impressions of these new bags from Double Oak Essentials is wow. They are very well made, and these materials are almost indestructible. I mean, you're talking about wax canvas, which I talk about wax canvas a lot on this channel. I say all the time that it's probably going to outlive you. And then you couple that with full grain leather, which, yeah, it will probably outlive you as well. YKK zippers, which are some of the highest quality zippers available on the market right now. And they come with a lifetime warranty. I'm not really sure what's not to love here. Other than the price, these are not cheap bags by any means. I'm not going to mention the price here in this video. If you guys are curious, I'll put those links down below in my description box. Just because prices fluctuate all the time, and right now these are on sale. I believe they're on sale because they're still on pre-order. So if you guys are interested in any one of these bags that you saw here in this video, I would jump on that pre-order right now, because the price that I've seen next to that sale price, yeah, like I said, they're pricey. Not cheap bags at all, but once again, almost indestructible materials and that lifetime warranty. I mean, and my favorite of the bunch, I just don't know yet. I still have to carry all of these and give it my final stamp of approval. I can't imagine why I wouldn't, but I think my favorite as of right now might be this Dopp kit. I use Dopp kits all the time for my toiletries when I'm traveling for work in hotels, and this just looks like a good one. All right, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What do you think of the new bags from Double Oak Essentials? Like I said, I will put links down below in my description box if you want to check them out for yourself. But if you did enjoy this video, please give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. And go!